Emily Atack showed off her bare tummy and tight gym gear as she revealed the secret to fixing her scrambled mind. The 32-year-old said she'd been learning how to look after herself better as she teased an amazing announcement. 2. Emily Atack showed off her tummy as she teased exciting news. Credit, Emily Atack /Instagram. Emily, who starred on I'm A Celeb in 2018, said, "It's amazing what a bit of exercise, slightly earlier nights, and cooking in your kitchen for your mates can do for your scrambled mind. I've got amazing announcements to make this week, and I've had 2 weeks of freedom to get myself together, move into my new home, and surround myself with the people and the things that make me happy, all ready to take on the fresh madness that's about to begin. Learning to look after myself better. For now anyway." Emily recently enjoyed a brief romance with England footballer Jack Grealish. But she was left heartbroken after Jack, 26, refused to choose between her and his long-term on/off girlfriend Sasha Atwood. The pair, who enjoyed at least 2 secret trysts since October, were in regular contact immediately after The Sun broke news of their liaisons. But after an initial flurry of messages, Jack, 26, then broke off contact with Emily, prompting her to end all contact. She later shared a cryptic message about moving away from what harms you following her brief fling. And today she shared a mirror selfie, telling fans, "Bathroom selfie featuring a roly-poly toad. Off to do something mad soon, so back at it with it. Simply Fitness." Emily recently revealed her new home, having secretly moved for the 3rd time in 2 years. The In-Betweeners actress, who rose to fame as Charlotte Hinchcliffe in the E4 comedy, said she was forced to move over privacy issues. 2. Emily recently wowed fans with a sexy throwback bikini snap. Credit, Instagram, Emily Atack.